If you're thinking about buying JotForm, there are a few things you definitely need to know first. While it's one of the most popular form builders out there, you want to make sure it's the right fit for your business needs. Stay tuned till the end because we'll go over the features, hidden costs, and why you might want to look elsewhere for some use cases. First, let's start with the basics. JotForm is a form builder that allows you to create highly customizable forms for your website. It's an easy-to-use platform that can create everything from contact forms to detailed surveys. You'll find that its drag-and-drop functionality makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Compared to competitors like Google Forms or Typeform, JotForm gives you more flexibility in design and functionality. Next thing, while JotForm is a great platform, it's not completely free. The free plan does give you access to basic features, but you're limited to just 5 forms and 100 submissions per month. This can be an issue for businesses that need more than that. In comparison, Google Forms offers unlimited submissions, but lacks the advanced features you get with JotForm. So, if you're expecting robust analytics and integrations, you might have to upgrade sooner than you thought. The third thing you should know is the variety of integrations. JotForm offers over 100 integrations, including popular tools like PayPal, Dropbox, and Salesforce. This makes it easy to automate workflows and send data to your favorite apps. However, if you're used to a platform like Typeform, which also supports integrations but focuses more on user experience and aesthetic design, you might find JotForm's interface a bit clunky. Now, let's talk about customization. JotForm allows you to create completely branded forms with full control over the design. You can customize the look and feel, adding logos, changing colors, and adjusting layouts. This flexibility sets it apart from other form builders like Wufoo or FormStack, which may offer some customization but not to the same level. But keep in mind, if you're looking for the most sleek, modern design, you might find Typeform still has the edge in terms of user-friendly design. Next thing, one area where JotForm stands out is its security. It offers features like encryption and HIPAA-compliant forms, which is crucial if you're handling sensitive information. This is a major plus for healthcare professionals or businesses dealing with private data. Typeform, for instance, doesn't offer HIPAA compliance unless you pay for their enterprise plan, making JotForm a clear winner in this category if security is a priority for your business. The fifth thing to consider is the mobile experience. JotForm's forms are mobile responsive, meaning they will look great on smartphones and tablets without any extra effort on your part. But when comparing it to Typeform, which often provides a more seamless mobile interface, you might notice some minor quirks in how the forms render on mobile devices. The sixth thing to mention is the pricing. JotForm's pricing structure can be a bit confusing, especially when you're starting with the free plan and need to upgrade. The starter plan is free, but the next step is the bronze plan, which will cost you $39 a month. This can be a significant jump for small businesses or individual users. If you're looking for something more cost-effective, Google Forms or even FormStack might be a better choice. And finally, let's talk about the customer support. JotForm offers 24/7 support, which is a great benefit. However, many users report that response times can vary, and sometimes it takes a little longer to get the answers you need. In comparison, Typeform offers a more intuitive self-service help center, which some find more helpful. If you're still curious about whether JotForm is right for you, I recommend clicking the first link in the description below to try it out for free. Not only will you get a free trial, but you'll also get some exclusive benefits when you use that link. At the end of the day, JotForm is a great tool, but depending on your needs, there are other form builders that might be a better fit. If you want to test it out for yourself and get the best deal, make sure to use the link in the description.